12th IIT no grant test, no?
No one joined, sir.
12th IIT no grant test, no?
No.
This Manish is posted 12th IIT grant test to his group. And I checked it also.
No, not there. Otherwise, Ashwin will not ask doubts. Because afternoon I was solving this doubt only. In 12th IIT class.
Good evening once again, Srinidhi and this one, Andy.
Yes, sir.
This week, after this class, you can leave. Okay. Next week onwards, till 7. Okay. Yeah, inform.
There are no chemistry in maths classes.
No. Next week onwards, full-fledged classes will be there.
You don't need to get over this class.
Till 6 o'clock till have to come. Shivaraj, which branch?
Apply, sir.
Madurai. Vishwanath, na? Oh, Shiva, na? Shiva, yes. Okay, morning also he came, yes.
7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. 6 o'clock. இல்ல இப்பதான் சொன்னாங்க சார்.
Else, no problem. Till 7, if you have any doubts also, you can ask us. But mom will come, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll work out some problems in 2 dimension.
Okay, so
Can you just try question number 5?
yes, sir.
I will also guide you. A particle is moving on a circular path. Radius is given. What is the radius? Smaller with a uniform velocity. It is actually mistake. Uniform speed, you should say. Printing mistake.
Because direction changes.
Yes, direction is changing. So he's asking, he's telling say uniform velocity and he's asking to calculate change in velocity. Okay. So please change it. It is a speed, uniform speed, and find a change in velocity. Without using pen and paper, anyone can try. Even the lecture also I have explained. Tell me what is the strategy, Srinidhi, Shiva, Pandey? Change in velocity given, 2v sine of theta by 2. Did you remember?
Yes,
What is the change in velocity means? Subtraction only, na?
Yes.
What is the magnitude of the a vector minus b vector? Under root of
Yes.
a
a
square
plus b square minus 2ab cos theta.
Shabash. Cosine of theta. A value v, b value v, a also v. If you substitute, what do you get? How much you will get? V square plus v square minus 2 into v square and cosine of theta. Angular displacement is theta means angle between the initial velocity and final velocity also 40, no? So what I can write? To simplify, you will get 2v sine of theta by 2. 2 into sine of 40 by 2. So what is your final answer for the question? Sine of 20. In exam, you should not waste time. You should not use pen and paper. If you use pen and paper, it is insult for me. Okay. Try question number 26, everybody.
Sir, can I show the question, sir?
Yeah, I'm pasting.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, try. A particle is projected with a velocity v meters per second such that its range on the horizontal plane is twice the greatest height attained by it. Then what is the range of the projectile is the question mark. I will give you hint some. You projected with what velocity? V velocity. This is the ground now. What is the angle of projection? Theta. Range means the maximum horizontal distance only, na? What is maximum horizontal distance? I will give that formula u square sine 2 theta divided by g. You have to remember. Understood? This is the maximum height reached by that projectile. I think you might be known that that value also I am giving u square
Two square.
sine square theta by 2g.
Yes,
Two
sir.
formulas compulsory you have to remember.
For time of flight, sir.
Time of flight is 2u sine theta by g. U is the velocity of projection. Finished, huh?
1 second, sir.
1 second completed.
1 minute, sir.
1 minute, okay. Good. And everyone, I am telling, before starting 12th, complete all 11th standard problems. Doubts clearing is important. We should not do more work. We should not do numericals. You should do numericals. You should think. Are you understanding? Everyone understanding? Srinidhi and Shiva.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In your time bound, in your day, in that leisure time, you have to think more and more. Study less and think more. Then only, okay, so your speed will be increased. Your accuracy rate also will be increased. You will get lot of confidence. Take some questions in your one chapter, sit a corner, work out, think. If you don't solve also, no problem. Think in different way. Understood? If you think in a different way, definitely one small thought will make you to solve that problem. Understood? Still, if you won't get, just leave it. On fine day, you will only solve or discuss with us like that. Okay. So like that, if you do that method, na 11th standard, all concepts will be thorough. Then 12th will be very easy for you. Clear? Okay. So maximum problems, all important model problems you have to cover. Okay. Work out every problem in our material. And you have to discuss more doubts. Understood? Sir, this problem I solved, sir. Thought I am not getting. Just give me one small tip for understanding. Okay? Like that, you have to do. Then out of 300 marks in your JEE mains, 11th will contain approximately 150 marks. 150 means at least 120 you can ensure. Correct? Because once you entered into 12th standard,
Sir,
school
but sir, I wrote 3 mock tests, sir. In that, only around 50 to 60 marks was there from 11th, sir.
yeah, it is a good question actually, Srinidhi. I mean, roughly I told, mostly in any paper, NEET and JEE mains paper or advanced paper, 12th will be covered. In the 12th standard question, 11th connectivity topics will come.
So yes, sir, there are many problems, but that involved integration, derivation.
I am telling that direct straight 11th standard questions, few only you can see. Understood? Actually, you cannot frame a question from only electrostatics. Electrostatics means you will mix loss of motion, you will mix motion in a straight line, you will mix work energy power. For 11th standard, 10th standard is foundation. How the multi-story building is there? How will you construct? First ground floor, basement, next ground floor, next First floor, second floor, third floor. No, understood? Srinidhi, understood my
Yes,
what I
sir.
am explaining? There is no 11th standard question separately. There is no 12th standard question separately. Trust me, in advanced type questions, in physics question, you will see 11th standard concept, 12th standard physics concept, chemistry also, maths also. It is very difficult to judge that is chemistry question, maths question, physics question, that is 11th question, 12th standard question. You cannot say. Are you understanding? So what I am saying, out of 150 marks, if you are thorough, if you work out, now 30 days is there, solve as many as you can. Understood? Like that, complete all the chapters. So like that, 120 marks are confirmed out of 150, like that. Then on 12th standard, once you are enter into 12th standard, you will be busy with the public exam. So you can avoid the pressure. 11th already you are thorough, no? Correct or not? Fully you will prepare 12th standard. Board point of you will prepare, and here also you will stress 12th. There if you get 150 out of 150 also, probability is there. Are you understanding what I am saying? As Srinidhi told, according to Srinidhi hypothesis, only 40% questions came, he said, from 11th standard. Means 60% 12th means advantage only, na? Correct or not? Like that is a plan. So please, my request, so if you do this plan, you have high chances you will be in the top, the okay, JEE mains rank list as well as advanced rank list, merit list, you will be there. Do that. Understood? Again, I am telling you have to work out daily. I am not telling do hundreds of problems. Take 10-15 problems in physics, solve as many as you can. Automatically you will enjoy. I mean, automatically you will never stop with 15. It's a kind of addiction. Just like a video game, you will start with level 1. Will you stop with level 1 if you win? Immediately you have curiosity, na? Do you play video game? No. In childhood you did not play. Everyone will play. I played. My what is my generation? Srinidhi, you?
Yes, sir.
Everyone plays. So like that kind of automatically you will get enthusiasm. You will not stop with the 10 problems. Like that confidence will come. Understood? Start with simple steps. Understood? Instead of taking 100 problems, you can't do even single problem. Take just 5 to 10 problems. Slowly you have to do. If you know the method means leave it. Waste of time. Calculation is waste, na? Correct or not? Go for like that new problems. Correct? Are you understanding my strategy? Like that, you can see more problems. Your final JEE question paper, your final advanced question paper, you have to see in your practice only. I'm telling that. Are you understanding everyone my strategy? You should not feel new question in your final JEE mains. Are you understanding? Correct or not? Are you understanding my strategy? Or I did not solve this problem, so I will leave it. That kind of situation you should not create. Okay? For that, complete the material. You have to kill us. Sir, please explain. This doubt I have. Give me tip. 24/7. Take our WhatsApp number. During your self-study hours. Understood? Study means don't study. Do work. Work out objective questions. Understood? Okay. You try in 2-3 methods. You post, you take our support, sir. What concept I have to use? What where I did mistake, like that you have to communicate with us. Correct? With your friends also discuss. Correct?
Yes, sir.
You will do 20 problems, your friend will do 20 problems. Both if you discuss that problems also, his knowledge you will get, my knowledge you will get, your knowledge he will take. Like that your knowledge will be multiplied. Clear? Only if you give gold, you will become poor. If you give money, you will become poor. But if you give your knowledge, if you share your knowledge will be multiplied. Your thinking also in the thinking process.
Sir, because we'll do kind of revision in that also.
Yes,
We are
revision as well as you are talking to someone means definitely you will think very seriously that concept. Yourself you are thinking means understood. Your mind will be very casual. But when you are talking to me, you will be very serious. Yes, definitely sir will scold me if I apply wrong concept. Understood? Correct or not? Ego will be there, no, for human being. Correct or not? Our own works will neglect. But the same work for some others you are doing, you will do perfect, na? In house, no one will do work. But if you go to your guest house, na, you will do work perfectly. Correct or not? You will help your relatives. Correct or not? Like that. Okay. We will be very serious in the discussion. You have to disturb us, sir. This doubt is there. Explain. Understood? One example I will tell you. This branch only, Ashwin Roshan, his name. Understood? We are conducting mock test. Initially, 220 marks only he got out of 300. Understood? I told this method. He doesn't know. He's a brilliant student, but doesn't know the method. Simply always studying concept.
Sir,
I said,
220 is good only, right, sir?
for me, not good. I want 300. Understood? Everything is good. We should not stop, I am telling. Okay. Now he is in 270, 260, like that is getting. Improving or not? Understood? So you have to know your weakness. You only should know your weakness. Understood? That take out that weakness and strengthen them. Definitely you have some weakness in physics. System of particle, rotatory motion. Correct or not? Simple harmonic motion. Some concepts you take out, rework on them.
Yes,
Understood?
sir.
That attitude you have to. Simply we are explaining, you are listening, it is a boring. Correct or not? So that strategy you have to do. Then only you will be winning in this race. Your understanding? You should become a thinker, not a mugger. Mugger, in school exams, this copy paste exams, you will learn some information, you will omit in the exam hall. That is waste. Are you understanding? Okay. This is you when to solve one problem, you have to think like a mini scientist. First attempt, no one will get. Are you understanding? Then change the method, think uniquely, think creatively. Understood? You are going to study BTech, technology. Technology means technique. Correct or not? Human being discovered wonderful techniques. This is summer AC he created, no? He has technique only, no? Correct or not? Like that, you have to show your technique in solving numerical. Are understanding? It is easy. It is actually with the pressure, with force, you cannot crack IIT. You have to enjoy the studies. Should put your life. Life means your study also will be live. Are understanding? Simply for money, for financial richness, for settlement, don't study. You have to enjoy. Understood? How long if you study, you should never feel tiredness or nervousness. From morning to evening, we are teaching. Did you see any nervousness? No. Why? Because if I feel nervousness, I am fail. Why? I don't love that work. No? It is waste. You will not succeed. Are understanding? You also, without any nervousness, you are sitting here because you have some fire. Yes, I have to crack IIT. I'm telling, continue that fire and enjoy your studies. With force, we should not do anything. Understood? If you don't do one problem, what what we can do? Leave it. Definitely one day you will solve it. I am assuring, mark these words. Raise a question and leave. Definitely you will solve your mind. Many times in my life also happened. One question is there. First day I think, second day I will think, third day I will think. I will not answer. Thought will not come. You should appreciate that question setter actually. Known concept only, in the hidden format he framed the question, na, should appreciate him. Correct or not? So after thinking several times, even we are very busy, we don't have time to think. Your job is 24 hours studying only, na? Correct or not? So ours is not like that. After going to house, even we are teachers. 10 hours we are doing job. After going to house also, lots of works are there. Correct or not? Paying current bill, rent, many maintenance are there. Na? Correct or not? But you are not like that. Okay, you can do wonders. Are understanding? Okay, should step into IIT with what? With high skills. High skills means like a creative genius you have to step. Understood? With the 80, 100 marks, you should not go. Like aim 300 by 300, I am telling everyone. Understood? Your cutoff is 135 means keeping target only 135 out of 300. Again, final JE means 80 marks only. It's a waste, I am telling. Everyone I am telling, never aim low. Aim high only. Are you understanding, student? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Never aim less than 300. 300 by 300. That's all. If you got very less score means, should accept failure. Should feel proud to fail. If you accept your failure only, you will get success. Correct or not? Failures are, your trials are stepping stone for failure, not for success first. Stage is what? Trying, failure, then success. Correct or not? Trying means immediately success will not come. Mind it. Okay? Clear? So you can do. I am very confident on you. I am observing you. Okay? You have good IQ. Some lot of enthusiasm is there. Understood? Okay, so definitely you can become an IITian. That is my surety. Follow these tips. Understood? Don't feel it is a painful thing. Pain also you have to enjoy sometime. Correct or not? Thieves are there, na? Correct or thieves definitely they will be caught by the police, but they will enjoy the pain when they are beating. You know that, huh? Don't know?
Oh, sir.
Best thief means you will enjoy the pain. Why? Because see, observe 100 times he will go to jail and again he will come. Again he will go. Again they will beat. Third degree, fourth degree, all they will do. Understood? Huh? Third degree, you know, no? Third degree, you don't know? Treatment, punishment.
No, sir.
Don't know means very severely they will punish.
Sir, shock waves.
Again they will come and again they will do robbery. Why? they are experts in that only. They don't know other thing. These IITs, NEET, teaching, doctor, they don't know. They only that. Correct or not? I mean, they love. I'm not telling you. I'm telling. Listening is easy. Execution process you should enjoy. I'm telling. You should never stop. You should never give up. Understood? You have to manage school as well as this one. Understood? I did not manage means failed. That's all. Okay. Because IIT first ranker, he is also going to school, na? Correct? Or he is going to school, never skipped school. Understood? And advantage your school also you can top. Your school exams also you can perform well. Clear? Okay. So please this 1 month finish everything, every problem in the 11th standard. Then 12th you will enjoy. Okay. Every concept just like that you will enjoy. Anyway, we will see this problem. A particle is projected with what velocity? Such
Sir,
that
I
range.
got 2 cos theta equals sin theta, sir. After that, how to proceed?
Okay, I will do it then. Such the range on the horizontal plane is how much?
Same I got.
U square sine 2 theta by G.
Very good. Greatest, right? But range formula
U
V
square
square
sine 2 theta by G equal V square
sin
sine 2
theta
theta
by
by G equals to
G is equal to 2 into
2
V
into V
square
square sine theta by
square
sine
theta
square
by
theta by 2.
2G. V square G cancels out. Sin 2 theta how much? 2 sin theta into cosine theta, that equal to how much? 2 into sin square theta. Sin theta and sin theta cancels out. Cosine theta, sorry, correct only na?
Yes, sir.
Wait a second, I did one mistake.
Sir, sin 2.
Divide by 2 I missed. Now perfect only. Now 2 cancels out. So what I can write? Cosine of theta equal to sine of theta by 2, no?
Yes, sir.
Understood? 2 equal to how much? Tan theta I can write, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. After
So
till this
tan theta is here only you have to use your technique. Tan theta equal to how much? 2 divided by 1 only I can
Oh, okay,
write.
sir. So that will be root 5.
See here,
Sir, so
my
hypotenuse will be root 5.
memory did not work here. My technique only worked here. Understood? Okay. Scientist in mind only solved the problem. In every person, two things are there. One Xerox machine is there, one scientist is there. Understood? Xerox machine means you have huge memory that will not do anything. Understood? Everyone, both of you struck here only, na? Okay, so tell me, you have to find range of the projectile only, na? Question.
Sir, root 5, sir. Sir, that will be root 5, right? Hypotenuse.
Very good. Pythagoras theorem, you have to apply root 5 only, na? Root 2 square plus 1.
Sir,
So
now
all
sin
you-
theta equals to 2 by root 5, sir.
Very good. Sin 2 theta by how much? Range, na?
Sir,
G.
sin theta is 2 by root 5.
Very
And
good.
cos
Very good.
theta is 1 by root 5, sir. We can apply, yes, sir, here we can apply that.
Shabash. Okay. Do that. 2v square by g into sin theta value how much? 2 by root 5 and 1 by root 5. Right? So 4v square by 50 or 5g. Which is the right option? Option A is the perfect answer for the question. Are you understanding? When you are studying, only 10 million neurons only will be activated. But when you are thinking, thousands of millions of neurons will be activated. Understood? Studying is different, thinking is different. Should be a best thinker. Understood? Okay, friends. So today we will wind up this session at now. But next week onwards, you have to ready to stay till 7. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Shiva, respond. Yeah. Okay. Now no classes after this, but next week onwards still 7. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Right. Bye. Bye.